Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to build an intelligent RPA bot that reads math captions from a web page, calculates the answers, and automatically fills them into forms on the page. This is a great example of cross-page automation and dynamic element handling. Here's the challenge. We have the Ultimate QA filling out forms page with 3 contact forms, each showing a simple math CAPTCHA like 10 plus 11. Our GOT needs to read these CAPTCHAs, solve them, and enter the answers into the corresponding forms on the page. Notice there are 3 forms on the page. We can index them 0, 1, and 2. Our automation will handle all 3 automatically. Let's break down our workflow structure. We're using a while loop that runs 3 times with an index variable going from 0 to 2. For each iteration, our bot will 1. Read the CAPTCHA from the source page. 2. Parse and calculate the sum. 3. Type the answer into the destination page. 4. Reset variables and increment the counter. The key here is using dynamic ETSPAT selectors with our index variable to target the correct form each time. The secret sauce is in our selectors. Instead of hard-coding form IDs, we're using template interpolation with double curly braces. See that int index? This gets replaced at runtime. Done. When our index is 0, this becomes 0. When it's 1, it targets form 1, and so on. This makes our automation flexible and maintainable. If we need to handle 5 forms or 10 forms, we just change the loop condition. Our first getElement targets the filling out forms page. We're looking for spans with the class CAPTCHA question. When the element is found, we assign its text value to our star whole number variable. This might be something like 86 plus 64 or 10 plus 11. Notice we're adding delays between actions. This gives the DOM time to load and makes our automation more reliable. Now comes the smart part, parsing that string into actual numbers. Here's where we need to be careful. The naive approach would be to just split on the plus sign. But wait, what if the CAPTCHA text is 86 plus 64 equals with a trailing equals sign? That second number becomes 64 equals and CINT throws an error. Not good. The better approach uses regular expressions. This extracts only the digits, ignoring spaces, equal signs, or any other formatting. Now we switch to our destination input. Again, we're using that dynamic index in our XPath. We're targeting the input field where the answer needs to go. Before moving to the next form, we clean up our variables. This prevents data from one iteration bleeding into the next. Then we increment our index counter and the loop continues. Form 0, then form 1, then form 2, all automatically. Important prerequisites. Page must already be open in Chrome. These getElement activities don't navigate, they just search for elements. You'll need OpenRPA's native messaging extension installed in Chrome. This is what allows the bot to interact with the browser. Common pitfalls. If either page isn't loaded, the selectors will fail. If the site structure changes, your XPaths might break. If there aren't exactly 3 forms, the loop needs adjustment. Pro tip. Add error handling with try-catch blocks to make your automation more resilient. Let's recap the key concepts you can apply to your own automations. Dynamic selectors use variable interpolation to handle multiple similar elements. Robust parsing. Use regex instead of simple string splitting when dealing with unpredictable formats. Cross-page workflows. You can read from one page and write to another in the same automation. State management. Always reset variables between loop iterations. Defensive coding. Handle edge cases like trailing characters or missing elements. These patterns work for many scenarios beyond just CAPTCHAs. Anytime you need to process multiple similar elements or transfer data between pages.